After 4 years, my papa son go divide the marriage theater so. Jumedi is an di kan a washa. Awari jumedi. Trans ehwe awari nsem pensem na mpanfo adwen so. Ehwe between CC fie because ofie nya opia wontia ntumi nya hwe. Adwuma mu nya bebi a wayon kofa kra nya. Nti enne no ye be di nkomo ba ko bi nkomo na be demu odu yi na yenya mpanfo akukudam we ntama ene ombi bisa nkomo no. Na le odi kan no musician kese pa Madina musician na ye pani na wasanso ye event planner kese o Ghana ha ni din ye friend no Mr. Bafo Nketia Sapon Mr. Bafo pacho me wakwa aba na de to so bi nsusu ye o ye sofo wasanso ye musician kese pa o Ghana ha friend no Reverend David Nana Samoa ono na the resident pastor the Christian Life Mission Church Ashabocho Majo. So from Pacho Moaka Bakese. Yeah. And I do go beam. General, the Honorable. The dear a friend of Mr. Esuma or great and big farmer pa Ghana. The last 3 years and last year when award. It was the best farmer in best farmer award or poultry farming. The pay from Pacho Mamina Kwaba. Yeah. And a young common and commotiawa, and a person a boys in common. Obi ni meeting common or say or don yere pa. But a baby who huna, there's that connection. O hundi intia, so huna, neni general sonko. Ha, na mo de send a jet sonko na the cobra baby or china one pen. Emma, I saw man of funny rich. Na besides so be our don yere sa. My main chance if you Mr. Suma so will be our don yere sa or so on yere. And then the Bema don yere. Now I find orphanage.
You, that's it. Say the cats are saying we have. At times I am not before Casse. Women are their own enemies. I feel be 9 per se the Jitum Kakra.
Man, Cassa, your one town.
The Jitum Kakra, you say. Say, okay, Ephesians 5:22, Casse, or bar, Brown was. Now, 25 was Casse completely, submit completely. What is it? The moment of being denied by money be big pet.
No, the runner come.
Or the runner come. Do you have the runner come pet? Not thrown off from the marriage house.
Coming back to you, Mr. Bafo Nketia. Na papa can say, Bema would deny the BBA. Also, what do you saying? Oh, sad, you know.
The papa can many argue 100%. Obi wa no mo a say na ho keka na ho fama say ho wo kra be fie so no beji ho wo
ayo ba no
plus say be ma ni be kan ni anka ni fini nka me bia bio say na fofo kra ba ni nchen na oba ni tini accept na fofo a then the baba na kwa bontin they be no be nkwa ba fa so ne na fofo be di nkomo me be fie e di ni jai den a be fie na tena ho oba bi wo so a mami ochina me na madam bi invite me say o dey na for sam de onimu anu no e no na ho cha be nko you know and to bo say they be obeko baby no no nko a say be ma nko akọ baby obi afa so esanse ni say e be we di 35 40 years no nko na mo a o so ban ko wale enti no e wo onitim say and say me esanse ni de me pe obi a me kwa obeko no aka me ho na ye hu say me kwasea but what I say na just say ono so aka no ho no ne ko enti ono ne ko ne na ni je ba na na fo ne jintuma say o e bebe so gina ye na fo but na fo no say eh oba we na ko ne ho e bo ile ntia ma ofie obo say na one kasa wo no wa good dear crap no kasa when you extra careful about wife because answer na wa that wo oba nda ba wa re mu no na na fo ho because who bear word on the day of your wedding your groomsmen and on your best man so identity na fufuo nyina no uchu so ba ko so your best to do echi meaning say among your friends as me that person do mechi as me say ni mokrasi oba na pe no obehu wo me pa cho what I say be ma bet me nyampena na ne na fufuo nyina nim na na ile so ne da mpa so enim me pa cho what I say na fufuo no accept oba fufuo na o de ne be ko party na Oh, now they hear piano calls, check out. The next time, oh, not a toss party me and party night, both of them ye, and for the mammy and discuss to me because me no casi uncle, who enough for some, who they also mean quite ye bia. It's a young complaining. Now one casa didn't even call. Bearman your body, Mushia dia. Some will be in now soon who said, why am I saying? Maybe I refuse not to say, Mary dear, say this, so, problem is, I never smell boha. Tonoba bona, managed out to say, the end of my mamma has seen. And I determined now. Then the Boba, then so Mabano, as I tell me that I say, Mabano, or Moye, and it just say, Omukuta, Ferry Bini Ho, and where you maniato in Chen baby. So for Debbie, a patch of the Iron yeah. And then the Mabama Cray cheaty, send a cane, Papa can say, or then the young for Banana accepted, and we accepted that. Don't feel at home coming, it is some will spend time I want and spend time at home. And I will ban no crown, you'll be at peace. Send a now can book and be said, secret to be a while, what down for best friend. But our best friends know you relate here. Hardly will you do certain things because you submit to me into your band your security if you relate with your husband's friends. So why do men cheat? Because remember you cheat. Why do men cheat? And then boys like
okay. We scenario now the chance you know. Say the man na casa confess.
Yeah.
Say
Odonire.
But she didn't really see what happened in our family. Now, sometimes we have to draw the line between love and like. You know, you can love someone without liking the person. Liking the person has to do with a lot of the personality, the mannerisms, reactions, inactions, you know, and when they're now penny panasem, don't dear hopa, you know, and this all cassette, me dominate dear. Then one quality of love is that love never fails. Bible confirms that. Love never fails. If you are you know, it happens. And you know, we're in 100%. We're in 100%. See, I'm we are product of dust as a situation. We're in 100%. So I've learned to realize that marriage is a place of daily adjustment, so you can accommodate your partner. Because to me, who nipa 100%. Human dynamics just say nipa sesa. Per the prevailing condition, no, nipa now feel so you dean or you're very diplomatic and gentle. Before you know, or that flip out, you know, I bet you one say, hey, ain't sana na, what it? Yeah. Oh, me hear a caterer. Na me need that say or a carpenter. To say one time, me babo or bathroom door no kambo mu no bu ibi a kambo mu awechi or put no bu shena na lock him. So I was going around the neighborhood seeking say many carpenter na wa baby ama me ba ya dan ya bi or just offer kind e dey I want chenwe I never knew say na me yere oni artisan. You know, so one rule of is that never underestimate your partner. Because there is more to human being than what appeals to the eye. Yeah, what I say. Assassin now can big. But we want to say, me couldn't your software, and me couldn't bomb pie. And me couldn't never do on family. Yeah. Marriage is a daily place of work. You know, totally 100%. There could be something about her you like and something you don't that puts you off. But you gave your word to her. Today I give my trust. You know. I'm sure. Tonight, Mr. Bafon Petia, we should the can you answer respect to him. What is respect to men? Remember, Casano, Obuno, dear Emma, Emma, yes, sir. Obu, dear, a vital, near Mamma Quan. A second film, okay. A chap being cum 25. And you know, our remedy, I saw bar a bubema, that bema, a buoba. And normally near center say, Bema no here will be anyway. You know, here will be the young afternoon. But if you say, I can't remember not a baby man. After Ghana, Hannah, meaning, if I'm young. Or ban Tisican Corner Bema. Bema, and it is come over. Or baby on more bois Bema, no, money and one day. Never try to say. Ain't no Bema, not yet 3. I will fear thee. Obonina, I see at the man. Cause Sebema ben you book griffin in Mawa,
if your mammy no Sabi mammy take us women strength can for ya cho bulu aka ba fe what did I say sana
papa siano
for papa siano bra say na akwado so na akoto ni trim ento no feel say okasa normal now no go say ono ko ya kamo wa bulu aka nimba me ba to ka jama me kwatan say me ba na sa because agwa na papa ni mama ni di no ono so ni di ento mo say mama bi o papa bi ho no mo a on chine ni no nyamo ni fie madam fi na kan say me say na de ba epe 500 cedis that's right and na when you 500 cedis no nya 450 onya 450 no o de mama me nya we no ama na jiwe fama ko fi no sorry a no fan ko school na mwa next week ni be ka ho ama no akọ and na o fa 450 and na ma me di 50 cedis so and what the man ba no papa send for me ma we nya ni nyina me di bi ye dey so wan kire you are this also no akwaya akwala ne say ne papa no amoa no na ne ma me mum na eboa no me patwa dey say enti dey bia no papa class me fasa dey ma enti ma papa ni nyanyam
nje sir
enya obuo
enti ma me ne dey ade ne ma akwala na papa ni dim
papa se me fasa dey emma do se ma me no e di bia so no aboa but on eba ne sana bo se kola no fele so ma papa ni nya oboafo enti wa no mu no oka bibia no mu hoja no de ma me ne be ye wo fie sika be na hoja ya wo bedidi de ale be na respect aka no kola ni ntra o ma me papa ene die sika na hoja ya no anyi we intimate na fanya we intimate ko pepe bibia efe e ba twa tase o no de sika be na hoja ya en sika kaka na hoja ya na enye sika so ba ya hwe na ho oba no so wafa me ba to what I say enye sika na ufin se enye sika musika no you live it papa sika na esu nti wa de papa to de na no manni tietia sika na wafa ye kasa mu oba kasa obi minimo obi o wari obi a oba no mo twempra ne fe and now you want me be fie of listen or your missus and I mean you we madam for you before e ma we ma ha e ma we okoni ni kunika aha ni kunika sa rough kasa send your pen fi say offense ni papa ichi obi am ka tumi oba ka mo ma me o papa nya odi o e papa no ko to fo mo a e ja papa le we da so na offense be kunkun no e be wunya because na wa ma ho so ne no nyame ma offense e ma to aso china because bro wan say enti man be mo hidden attitude ansa no de ba wa re ni o de ba wa re ni offense wa misses enti o shakawa enti ni say enti no wada ni nyina edi na sa de we nyina wo ya be man na de mema bebre ade to hwa ratio no mema wujama be man doko bra no abeye ejuma no akochinchin no ababeda obefie so a na oba no so the pressure abeto no so enti sa na on pressure enti no onya kanchima bia na ne de akohye be bi and the fans na nyanya do no ska se me ska be wudie mo bi enti me pressure so and me hwe on so aka ho so be fan se me hwe me ma mo aka so no obo take gi no fan se okay fan se ma fan me baba na mi si da man anase ma ha da man enti what is wrong with that and yes I dey me hwe me baba no what dey hwe no and dey ji
wo nya wo fie no e wo
ha se na ba on so kra be nyi ache se na dey depo ni say obenyi na ne ba o wa ne ba kwa wa ne a otima trim se papa ni so about na man ne oba ba kwa be ku ni die me Christiani I don't side double marriage and I don't side in financial but a man be su any omo pan me na me sheda man sheda in shananche but ni su and the pan and the man nya aware because ejuma ye hu kofu bebre sha kofu bebre na obi bu sam say adentina get the offering na obi aso nim no obi emu no ye hu ya an say me ware me engagement day omu nyina aba and I'm catching say there was a day me na me national service municipal assembly entini ye ko na me tankas ye chichichi nkrofo to me razon bonim me chichi nkrofo to me ra fit na me board dan and she came out when she came out we were three guys ba ko we na union ware na the boy ni ye kasa ye no was so nice and I'm so back your number I'm a friend na me share that can say ye wan you to know ye nyina bi na ba Michael Cass no one in nyina esre ne koyi later and no from oh Bampacho na oba ha sei no na ye fear am waba me dey paper na man me do number so man dey bia ofre wa enye obey bia no binya adwen se obi aba
nti say
obi aba echi enti no wa catch us say obey bi say enti wa ye bi enti o ma respond am so enti che na me so ja kwanta Mr. number no and then Mr. you know enti na me tu kwan kwanta krade ne WhatsApp ne kasa and you know me be hu ni Christo su ne ni papa ya oye am so ba we die obeya mama and na mama ye den be fa
ni sunu
ne ban enti ade me be ware no yi and we just ade we ya
aka san
eno so no bon say no de dada me pa ware and esa ade a me be dia me de me fa enti be nya asumdwe mu wona me konya na bonten ba say bia me ni beji menya honam ani je ne kra ni je ni we no but e ba ne sa so a na no nyankopon tem e patent
then I'm sure so David do you agree say respect is the bottom line for men?
Yes,
I say your break.
Yes, for love to a man is spelled RESPECT. Respect. You can never claim to love a man without respecting the person. Brother here raised a few powerful points. You know, respect is reciprocal.
Yeah.
Respect is earned. Yeah. You know, naturally, you know, the kakra when we say, Obawen is sign, especially the moment whether premarital and answer after the man will by nakedness. I say naturally they begin to lose some respect for you. So when you have to have that at the back of your mind. Respect to some extent must be, and naturally no. Say na make no, but now be your yere. I ba ku mienu. First when say you ko sra no kra munya ware be so kra no ho. But obafia afso woni kunu fi na to mesi nebo. Una just say ona mwani just say you, but naturally no. Onu feel say no. There is nothing to be any me ferro ana bibi. Into where we here be no. You have to initiate the respect card. So what I say, by the way you speak, Bible say, love her and wash her with the water of the word. Or say na Jesus Christ to brass afono. No de nasem e so ete asafono. Sa na me man so ye na yire no sa. So what I say, into no say me honestly. Say na to be more about one seed, one sperm, no to know akwala no. Naturally no, the best defense of a woman is her mouth. In fact, BBC for yourself, baby. Almost say a man use 20,000 words a day. Yeah, you use 7,000. It is a whole count there 7,000 in your own 13,000 balance. So the chair. So, naturally no, you can't beat them when it comes to say expressing verbally. But the tone and how you approach her, and sometimes say, oh, before say, oh, nigga no atabano, oh, atana so. No, she or he does that intentionally just so there can be peace in her home. I know the extreme cases of baby who had no matter what you do. Who can say with my friend, baby, please, can you pick this glass for me? Oh, maybe if you're on crying. Into Banu Buna say, do so no see one day. One of the told is here, work with P1 crown. It's disrespect. And that, and also sometimes a man say, yeah, Buswadi. Because he feels that we are the men of the home. But then, the point I want to make is that respect is earned. The Bible says, "Yes, no, it's all bad. The kind set as agenda no man. Into almost step out of line. You have every moral right to correct her. So no, you know, may call Bina. Let me just throw this in quickly. Onipa Beach. It was, I think, it was a wedding.
Okay.
No, so a very simple acronym was that before you open your mouth to address your wife and your spouse, no, think. Now, I'll say think, no, Tino is it true what I'm about to say? No, correct.